And they see that like university students, when they take one course throughout the semester, if they don't like that course, this dislike also affect their future course choices, future career choices, and so on and so forth. So this one semester treatment is longer than our 2 weeks. The semester is usually 14 weeks.
Yeah.
And when they observe that state for 14 weeks, even months later, years later, they have this memory of, I don't know, a terrible course, so they don't like that discipline at all. So we see this long-term effect. But even in those studies, you have the same treatment for 14 weeks. What would be interesting is to switch it. Like in the first half of the semester, maybe you have one professor, in the second half, you have another professor. Or maybe, I don't know any study that looks at that specifically, but some companies switch from working at offices or working at home. So this office versus home switch can be a kind of a, I don't know, pseudo experiment to understand the effect of like whether people like their job more or less in a good state or a bad state, or they can understand better.